I'll guide you through how to share a large file or folder online without hitting the dreaded file too large error or waiting days for painfully slow upload speeds. If you're looking to send massive video projects, full-resolution photo albums, or large business archives, and so you need to transfer files securely to anyone in the world, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps using the 3 best free methods. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and most common method is using cloud storage integration, perfect for files up to about 15 gigabytes. One of the ways to do this is by using Google Drive to share. Here's how. Simply compose a new email in Gmail and try to attach your large file. Gmail will automatically detect that the file is too big for a standard attachment, and it will bypass the limit by uploading the file to your Google Drive and inserting a secure, shareable link into the email instead. You can easily manage who has access before you send it. This is the most integrated and user-friendly solution. But remember that the free plan maxes out at 15 gigabytes of total storage. To maximize your space, once the recipient confirms a download, delete the file from your Google Drive right away to instantly free up that storage for your next transfer. The second method is the simplest and quickest transfer of professional files by using Wondershare Drive's advanced sharing features. Open a browser and go to the Wondershare Drive web portal at drive.wondershare.com. Click to go to the drive and register for free. You can also access the drive through a Wondershare application. When ready, upload your file and then click the share button on the file you want to send. This is a straightforward method that works best for users who are already working with creative tools like Filmora. Because it's a dedicated cloud service, it offers much higher limits than free transfer tools. Final method is for truly massive files. Think 100 gigabytes or more, using P2P direct transfer tools like TopShare. Visit the P2P website, then drag and drop your huge folder or file into the upload box to generate a unique sharing link. In this example, we'll use TopShare. This method is the best option for high-capacity files because it's a zero upload transfer. The recipient downloads the file directly from your computer, which is why there is virtually no file size limit. Because the file is streaming directly from you, you must keep your computer on and the browser window open until the recipient confirms the download is 100% complete. If you close the window, the download stops. For advanced file management systems, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to share a large file or folder online, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions about these methods, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more file sharing video tutorials. Thanks for watching.